people on the market, dog. Call agents. Work with agents, dude. Call the seller. You made one phone call. Do you know how many more phone calls that same person you have to make to get a deal? 12 more. The average deal gets done in 13 phone calls. Multifamily?
Yeah, I'm trying to do some creative financing now.
You don't have to try, bro. People are throwing multifamily at us right now. Throwing. Yeah, so the question, when somebody says I'm trying to do multifamily creatively, I'm like, are you guys actually looking for deals and making the calls? Are you guys doing that or no?
Not yet.
There you go. Okay. Boston's a good market, but again, there's two things you want to consider. Is your population you're looking at 0.8% or higher in terms of population growth? If it's not, don't even look at it. I don't care where, if it's in your backyard, I don't care if your mom lives there, don't touch it. The goal is, if you're trying to get into multifamily will double in price every 10 years in a market that has 0.7% growth or higher. Anything lower than that, you're going to have a hard time raising rents. And the second thing you got to consider is politics. Politics. You guys live in areas. Does your government care more about your tenant or about you? Okay, so here's my question to you. If I go start a Subway franchise and I'm selling sandwiches, and I go into California and I'm selling sandwiches, I got a really busy street corner, tons of people coming in, and one day the government comes in and they go, hey, we're changing two things. One, you can only sell so many sandwiches in a day, 150 sandwiches. Two, if somebody doesn't pay for their sandwich, you can't kick them out of your store. Would you do business in that state as a Subway franchise owner? Then why are you buying real estate in the same state? Because they're doing the same thing. You can't raise your rents and you can't kick out non-paying customers. Why would you want to be in those states? Get in touch with Justin, see when the meetup is, where it is, and just be friends with everybody over there. That one guy just made you 350 friends finding Subto and seller finance deals in your area.
Amazing.
That's what community is about, dude. It's like, how do I get a deal? Tap into a community of people that are doing deals.
Yeah.